All right, guys, we got this 2008 Honda Civic here. The door handle is no bueno, so let's get to changing that. First thing we got to do is remove this trim panel that holds the window switch. So we just take our trim tool, stick it in there, and hopefully this thing will pop out. I believe, I'm pretty sure this piece has to pop out. Sorry, this piece right here. This black plastic's all screwed in. We got a bunch of screws here. We also have, there's a piece, it's actually missing out of here. Sorry, but there's normally a cover that's in here, and you can just use a small flathead screwdriver or pocket screwdriver to pop that off. And then in behind there, we've got a Phillips screw. We'll take this out. There's also supposed to be a plastic clip that's in there, and you'll push the center of it in. However, this one's missing. So once we get that done, what we can do next is just pop this piece off. It's actually been damaged before, and it's kind of all haggardly glued on there. I might just kind of leave that. See if I can get the door panel off without it. Okay, so there's two screws, one here and one here, and also there's supposed to be a screw in here as well. That's why we take this cover off, but it is missing. So let's take these two bottom ones out. Okay, and then we should be able to just pull the door skin off at this point. There's a bunch of plastic pressure clips, so pretty much just grab and pull. And then the door just, it's kind of hooked onto the frame, so we gotta just lift it off. I'm gonna see if I can sneak it around. Okay, and then once we get that off, we've just got these clips here. So, okay, there's just a bunch of tabs along there. So you can just push those down, pull the door handle through, slip it back out. And then we've got an electrical connector here. Just unplug that, set the door skin to the side. Now this, I don't know if this procedure is the same for the four-door models. This is a coupe. And we've got just a couple 10mm screws or bolts. There's two of them. You can see one here. And then I believe if we go through that hole, there's another one. So let's get those buzzed out. One first. We can undo this one. Then we've just got a latch mechanism, there's a rod that comes up through, and there's a plastic clip that holds that in place. Now this one's already undone, so it should pop out, but it's stuck in there. All right, so you can see if you take a look in through there, the rod has sort of a ball on the end of it that acts as a detent to keep the rod in place in case that plastic falls off. But the plastic clip itself has like a hook that snaps onto the rod. So you gotta pop that off first, and then you can pull the rod out. I just used this, stuck it in behind the rod and popped it off. Once that's out, we should be able to then remove our door handle. This one is so rusted in there. There is this bracket piece that sits in there as well. Just sits in there like that, and then I took it off, but it goes around, so save that. It's all rusted and seized in place. Okay, there's a black plastic tab that's on the bottom right there. That's going to keep it from coming out. And, let's just see if we can get our new one in there now. First, and then this piece should snap in place. We need to have the door handle open in order to pass it through. A little bit of patience, and we got it in. And now I'm just going to secure this with the screw in there. There's a bracket that goes over this, and it needs to be lined up. Sorry, you can't see. Goes like this. put this rod back in place. And I think I'm just gonna check the 10mm bolts quickly by hand just to see how tight they are. I didn't want to give them a go with the impact gun and break the handle. What I'm going to do is just use a screwdriver. We latched it, make sure it works. Okay, works. Install our door panel. All right, so first thing I like to do is just make sure that these clips are all seated properly and they're not half hanging out. Because if they are, you're gonna have a tough time getting these to sit in their holes properly. It looks like we do actually have one that's still stuck in the door down here. So we can just take a trim tool. We just take that off and then we can throw it on the door. Plug our connector in, take our door handle, throw it through the hole, hook our door onto the body. All right, now we just got to put our screws back in, and that's pretty much it. Bunch. That sucks. There's literally like no place for the clip to go through anymore because it's just rotted away. So that sucks. Civic? Civic? Yep. All right, so we glued this piece on. It should just snap in, and then the cover should go on there. And yeah, this piece just pops back on. I think that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments or better ways to do this or anything like that. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.